Good morning. It's about 4 a.m. Monday. I received an emergency call for a frozen food case, an alarm. Got here, the fans weren't working. So I went and I checked the clicks on right there. That clicks on closes when it gets hot, completes the circuit, energizes the relays, and then opens up the fan circuit when it goes into defrost. So I disconnected it here, but the fans still would not come on. So I says, okay, well, the relay's got to be bad. So I changed out the relay, and I still had voltage going to the relay, keeping the fans off. So long story short, as you can see, I have the clicks on down there. The wires are off, okay, or they're disconnected. So there is no circuit. This wire right here goes down to the clicks on, goes through it, comes back around. Okay. Now, if I touch that, the fans shut off, right? But the click-on's de-energized. I should not have any power going to that relay, but yeah, I do. So, long story short, this relay right here, it's got to be messed up, and I'm getting power through the relay somehow from these other wires. So I'm going to change out that relay, and we should be good to go. But that's this morning's job.